In a small village nestled amidst rolling hills and lush greenery, a group of children gathered eagerly under the shade of a sprawling tree. Each day, they embarked on a journey of discovery, delving into the teachings of Islam under the guidance of their wise and compassionate teacher, Sheikh Ibrahim. With a twinkle in his eye and a gentle smile, Sheikh Ibrahim captivated the young minds with stories of prophets and their noble deeds, teaching them the values of compassion, humility, and gratitude. Through simple yet profound lessons, he instilled in them a deep love for their faith and a thirst for knowledge. As the days passed, the children's understanding deepened, their hearts illuminated by the wisdom of the Quran and the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. They learned to recite verses with reverence and to embody the virtues of patience and perseverance in their daily lives. But it wasn't just knowledge they gained under the shade of that ancient tree. They also forged bonds of friendship that transcended differences of background and culture. United by their shared journey of learning, they supported and encouraged one another, creating a warm and inclusive community bound together by faith. As the sun set on another day of study, the children bid farewell to Sheikh Ibrahim, their hearts filled with gratitude for the wisdom he imparted and the love he showed them. With a sense of purpose and a newfound understanding of their faith, they returned to their homes, eager to share their knowledge and to continue their journey of learning. And though the world may change and challenges may arise, the lessons they learned under the shade of that ancient tree would remain etched in their hearts, guiding them on the path of righteousness and enlightenment for years to come.